Hi guys, it's me again, Fia, and this is my vlog. I'm not going to talk about anything special today. I could tell you this. This is my new look. It's a little bit like
Britney Spears.
it's not because Jedward like Britney Spears. I've always liked Britney Spears. But this is my new friend.
Fred what?
Yes, Fredward.
I got my lipstick on.
Yes, he's got his lipstick on, and he's not really a very good friend, but that's totally because of his.
My bad behavior.
But he does know how to party.
My bad behavior. My bad behavior.
But today I wasn't really doing anything special. I was just sitting here looking at my gaffer tape, and I also have a wallet if you're interested. And this is my house. I am expecting everyone to see this video because I'm I'm not famous, but almost, And this is my vlog. So actually, my friend was in a movie.
Yeah.
He's related to Terminator 2. Yes.
Yeah, I'm Terminator.
Yes.
Yeah.
But yesterday, like last week, I was in Germany. Yes, and I totally bumped into Jedward.
Yeah.
Totally accidental, and I kissed them on the cheek, and they said it was like the best experience of their lives. Oh my god, I can't believe it. No. And I don't know if you've heard their new single, but I'm totally in love with it. Yes. Yeah. Pressure pushing down on me. Yes, but that's all from me today.
Yeah. Hasta la vista, baby.
I'll be back in like 10 minutes or something. I just need to get some apple juice in my fridge. So, see you later, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, yes. Bye.